Hi again. Today it's April 5th and we are going to talk now about the Forex, the currencies market. I would like to remind you that those workshops are designed just to give you a taste of what technical analysis it's capable and how to start to think in trading or investing in a strategic way. Trading or investing is a business. People approach trading and investing to make money, not to have fun. And the idea here is to give you an idea of what technical analysis is capable to do for you, and if you find it suitable for your beliefs or your way of thinking, I would like to invite you to visit our website and check what type of training courses we offer. Well, let's start then with the Euro-US pair. Euro and US had been trading very close to a resistance point, and we have been, well, the market has been trying to break that resistance. It's taking a while, and if you had watched my older videos, I've been following all that movement here, that sideways movement in the last few weeks, and I've been telling you that until we break above those levels, until we close above those levels, or we close below that level here, the most likely outcome is to be trading sideways. The market has been, Euro has been trying to break that resistance, and but has not been successful. The range, it's getting smaller and smaller. Today we had a test of the lower range, the lower part of the range, but it was an unsuccessful test, and it went up, back up, but still there is no predominant trends in the short term, and the market is really consolidating and trying to find a new direction, or it can either be the old one or a new one, meaning going down, and Euro going down. So it's still tricky to make longer term decisions based on how the chart is displaying now. It's better for shorter term trading. Now let's talk about the US dollar, Canadian dollar. I mentioned before that my expectation was that we are going to trend at least to trade down, and at least until that downward trend line here. When we reached that level, I mentioned that it was a very strong resistance, and we were approaching a time of the year where normally Canadian dollar is very strong, and my expectation was that we will trend lower. So that's what we are doing now, and we should reach those that trend line here quite early. Maybe even next week we should be trading very close to that trend line, around 0.955 on the Canadian US dollar. The downward trend, it's getting stronger, and there is a very good chance that those levels are going to be reached. Let's take a look on the Japanese yen, US dollar. US dollar has been trading higher against the Japanese yen, and we broke above a very important resistance level, and that should indicate a trend change, a major trend change for the Japanese yen US dollar pair. So my expectation for the short term is that we are going to trend higher then we will trade lower or even consolidate sideways before we proceed higher. So I see a good chance of being close to a trend change on the US dollar Japanese yen. One possibility that also can happen, and I'm going to show how to use Fibonacci projections to project targets for the market. Sorry, let's see. So we can project that leg and double it to see how sorry again, to see how high we might be going now. So we might be trading oh boy, sorry again, we might be trading that high for the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Let's put that line here, and we are going to go back to that line in the future just to check if the market really reached that level. So basically what I'm doing here is taking that distance here and putting it above the consolidation region, and that it's a way of using Fibonacci to project price into the future. It's one of the uses of Fibonacci tools, and also it's one of the ways of projecting to the future. It's not 100% guarantee, but it's a way of projecting that has sometimes a quite good possibility of success. There are other ways, and we can show in other videos other ways of projecting price into the future. So that's what I had to show about the currencies market. And once again, I would like to remind you that those presentations we make are just to give a flavor of what technical analysis is capable to do. It's very short, 10-15 minutes. It's very little time to show everything that is possible to do in terms of trading or investing or creating strategies. There is a huge component of risk management. If traders or investors do not take that into account, they will run into trouble into the future. So keep in mind that if you really want to be successful and make money in the markets, you need to get proper training, proper education. And one of the good sites that I know that offer good education, it's our site, and I would like to invite you to visit www.TA Academy and check out what courses we offer. We run most of the important courses, from the basics of technical analysis, advanced technical analysis, business planning, risk management. It's a complete package, and we also offer coaching. Well, thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow.